Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About negative 6s, we can put into negative 2s, negative 4s. This one we can do about factorization by s. This one by negative number 4. This one we change number 4 into 2 square. And now we have the formula in here. That is about a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by 8 plus b. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we have s minus number 2 multiplied by s plus number 2. So we have s minus number 2, s minus number 2. We can do another factorization. Now we simplify s minus number 2, s minus number 2. Now we put number 2 going here and here. So we have the final answer. So this one we have negative 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.